TSB-MOST, a product powered by TSB. Authority. In this video, we'll talk about the authority feature in our system. We'll explain what it is, how it works, and why it's important for managing user access and permissions. Here's a quick overview of what we'll be discussing. Authority, user, and company overview. Authority groups. Company register. User register. Let's start by looking at the basic parts of the system: authority, user, and company, and how they are connected. Authority defines what a user can do in the system. It is linked to roles. Each user has one or more roles, and each role comes with specific permissions. For example, an admin role has full access to everything, while a regular user might only have access to certain parts of the system. There are two types of users: internal users and external users. Company refers to the partner organizations you work with, such as shipping agent, forwarder, or consignee. Each company has its own rules for roles and permissions. External users need a company ID to be linked to their company. This ensures they get the correct permissions based on their company. Next, let's dive into the authority group. About roles and permissions. This screen is only accessible to admin and internal users who have special permission. However, we can customize permissions for accessing this screen according to your needs. How to navigate. First, go to the Authority Company User Information section, then choose Authority Information and click on Authority Group. Once you're there, you'll see two data grids. One grid shows the different authority groups. The other shows the staff members in the selected group. For the authority group, users can create new groups or integrate with third-party systems. The mandatory fields can be customized based on the specific requirements of each port. To view users in a specific group, just click on any group record, and the list of users with that role will appear below. You can view the assigned authority groups in user details. We will talk about it in Part 4. User register. You can set up screens and actions for each authority group by double-clicking on the group you want to define. Once the Details screen opens, go to the tab Refer to the module and simply tick the actions you want for that screen. Let's compare the UI for different roles. I'll show you 3 screens for 3 different roles: admin, shipping agent, and forwarder. First, here's the UI for the admin role. As you can see, it has access to all the modules in the system. Next, for the shipping agent role, based on the authority settings, only the relevant modules will be shown. And finally, for the forwarder role, it only shows one module, the document module. This is because in the authority settings, we only check the actions for the screens in this module. Next, let's move on to the company register. About roles and permissions. Both internal and external users can access this, but it depends on their permissions. Note that internal users can see all companies in the system, while external users can only see their own company information. How to navigate. First, go to the Authority Company User Information section, then click on Company User Information. Next, select Company Register. You can choose a specific partner type to search. External users can create a new company on their own or ask an internal user to help. User can do this using the MOST system or by connecting with other systems. The required fields can also be customized as needed. There is a list of different partner types. Now, let's wrap up with the User Register feature. About roles and permissions. Similar to the company register, both internal and external users can access this, but it depends on their permissions. How to navigate. Go to the Authority Company User Information section, then click on Company User Information and select User Register. This is the UI for the User Register screen. There are 2 types of users, external and internal. For external users, you'll see data in the partner code, partner type, and partner name columns. However, for internal users, these columns will be empty. Users can create a new user in the MOST system or integrate with third-party systems. The input fields will change based on the user type. For external users, the department field will be disabled. For internal users, the partner code and partner type fields will be disabled. You can also assign a role on this screen. Depending on their role, users can see different screens. For external users, they can only view the information related to their own company. In this example, the internal admin can see 3 bills of lading. 2 of these belong to the shipping agent Altus Oil, and the other one belongs to Kudrat. Now, let's switch to an external account and log in as the shipping agent Altus Oil. You will notice that the system only shows 2 bills of lading that belong to Altus Oil. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful.